This is a property I did a couple of months ago or so, and it's going to be an Airbnb shortly, and been lucky enough to be invited back, and now it's been furnished and it looks fantastic. So yeah, there was our matching trims. This is a Kronoswiss Aquastop 40mm in beach. It's pretty much the Rolls Royce of laminate flooring. I don't know any other 40mm laminate flooring with the boards weigh 7 kilos each. So yeah, so we use matching trims, T-moulds in front of all the sliding doors, L's in front of all the windows again. Matching trims, and again we extended into the fireplace. It's just come up fantastic. So, pretty tough job to get those miters as tight as that, but yeah, all the planks were laser cut or high pressure cut along the bottom to get a really nice clean finish. Again, I spent a lot of trims trying to get those miters absolutely spot on. Again, more T-moulds and L moulds and whatnot. But I just think the place looks fantastic. Nice beautiful tiles I put on the kitchen. Kitchen pretty much undercut quite a lot, but we did have to use a couple of bits of bead. But it's matching bead, it looks lovely. Took all the skirts off, and all the power points are in the skirts, so it's a little bit of extra work, but always worth taking the skirts off. Just so clean. So this is really only the job was just for this area, but then Michael decided to expand it and extend it through the hallway, put a divider in here. You know, if there is any movement expansion, you know, that's kind of the best way to do it really. It's kind of common practice. We took the rails up, removed the MDF under them, chucked it away, so they're nice and flush and nice clean lines. And a nice bedroom. Same again. Came down here. Now in here, with the utility room, we siliconed under every skirt. All the beads been clear siliconed. Toilet was removed. Again, everything's clear siliconed all the way around the skirts. Same in here. So you could fill this up and put fish in it. It's you know, so it's really watertight. Again, the beads all been siliconed in. So probably one of my top 2 or 3 jobs. It's the result I'm very proud of, and yeah, this floor's going to be good for 25-30 years. So there you go, that's Kronoswiss Aquastop Beach. I don't think you present it in a better way, but it just goes with everything. You know, furniture just looks great. You can put black, white, blue, pink, yellow, it doesn't matter. It just always matches and always looks superb. So I'll definitely be staying here in the future. I'm sure it'll be mates rates, Michael. There you go.